know that must feel so good to him. I cannot believe we just picked this bird off the tree and he's warmed up to you.
Sounds like the bird man of Alcatraz. That's great, he's letting you give him a bath.
Yeah, become his friend.
It's okay, no, it's fine.
I think he may kind of know what you're doing.
Well, he's probably taking because he's frightened, isn't he, or not?
No, he's actually not come back. I've seen him watching this.
See, he's your friend. When you feed him, he knows.
Yeah.
He knows, you know. He's like,
That you're trying to take care of him.
yeah.
Good. And then he'll go out in the sun and clean his feathers off.
Is he biting though when he does that?
No, at first he was biting me,
Yeah.
but now he knows I'm not afraid of him.
That's great.
And that starts to irritate him a bit. Well, nothing too much to worry about.
Oh, look. He's kind of comfortable around you.
Wood says,
Maybe he thinks he knows.
okay. Nice and warm.
This is awesome.
Yeah, try not to.
And you don't really want to touch him, do you?
Not yet.
That's great.
And that starts to irritate him. And that starts to irritate him a bit. This could be your lucky day.
There you go.
Yeah, very good. Oh, nice.
We should maybe let him go right here.
Yeah. Let him go right out there in the field, right by the pool.
You know,
today and grabbed my guitar, headed to the beach in the Godfather's car, set us afire and threw on some wood. There's nothing like the warmth, it feels so good. We're just singing our song. Alone, we said to one of the cops, an out-of-work actor wearing Hollywood props, up against the wall and show some ID. You forgot to mention that this is the land of the free. We're just singing our song.